We're learning more tonight about an attack on a delivery driver in South Oakland over the weekend.
Police have identified this suspect and say he's also a delivery man. KDKA's Mamie Ba has more.
We're on Parkview Avenue in South Oakland. A lot of university students live here because of all the schools that are nearby and also some families. They tell me this is a safe street, so they are shocked that this happened. I spoke with someone who jumped into action to help the delivery driver. What appears to have started over a heated exchange about honking horns between two delivery men, one with a box in hand and the other with a hood on, turned violent Sunday at the home next to Edward Paris.
It just seemed like it was random.
When the victim bends down to place the package, the suspect strikes, knocking him to the ground, hitting him repeatedly. The victim tries fighting back by kicking, his shoes coming off, and the suspect walking away.
You ain't going nowhere now. I'm sitting there and calling the police.
We see the suspect go back to his car. The victim gathers himself and walks over to the sidewalk to get the suspect's information.
You get that license plate real quick.
This is where the video ends, but Paris tells me the assault continued.
And then went back in his car and got a gun and beat him across the face with it. Our roommate called the cops, and we stayed with the Amazon driver until they got here, because we didn't know if that guy was going to come back or what. He had a gun.
The victim is an Amazon delivery driver. Police have identified the suspect, but they don't know what company he delivers for. No word yet on an arrest. It's been 3 days since the attack. Residents are still shaken up.
I feel like scared a little bit, just feeling guarded.
Pittsburgh police want anyone with information to reach out. Reporting in South Oakland, Mamie Ba, KDKA-TV News.